Hello, I'm Jason, and in this video I will be showing you how to make money with DIGISTORE24 using TikTok. I will also show you example of TikTok pages that are currently using the same technique and how you can easily do the same thing and make money online. If this sounds good to you, be sure to stick around until the end and also hit that subscribe button as I release daily videos on how to make money online. The first thing you will need to do is go onto DIGISTORE24, and once here you are going to simply tap on register now in the top right hand corner, and all you'll need to do is simply enter your email address, create a password, and also enter your PayPal email if it is not the same email address that you are currently signing up with. Once you have done that, you are going to be led to this page. And from here, you will see all of the offers that DIGISTORE24 currently has. And I want you, if you do not see this page, all you have to do is tap on Marketplace right here to access it. Now that I've shown you how to sign up and you are currently signed up with DIGISTORE24, the next step is to show you an example. So I'll head over to TikTok. And you can see this page right here. They are currently in the manifestation niche. And you can see that they are getting a lot of followers, and they are not showing their face and they are not using their voice, as you can see right here. All they are simply doing is uploading better yet quotes, and they are using videos that you can easily get royalty free videos and upload it also. And that's it. And they have created a link that they have in their bio. And by the way, to be able to add this link in your bio, you'll need at least 1,000 followers on TikTok, which is quite easy to get as TikTok is definitely booming. All you'll need to do is post content consistently and you'll be building a following before you even know it. Another example that you can also look at is this page right here by the name of Manifesting Mode. They are doing the same thing also. They are posting content on manifestation and they have a bit.ly link. If I should tap on their bit.ly link, you will see it will lead me to this page right here. And you can see the offers that they are promoting, as you can see right here. And by the way, this link automatically goes to here. And if I should tap right here, you will see the offer that they are promoting. I'll be showing you how to get the same offer on DIGISTORE24. All you'll need to do is simply copy Wealth DNA code right here. Then we're going to go back to DIGISTORE24 and we'll simply paste it in the search bar right here, product name. Then add the space, then tap on enter. And you can see the same offer that those TikTok pages are promoting. Now that you have signed up, all you would need to do is simply tap on promote now, and you would be able to get the 60% commission once someone goes and taps on your link and make a purchase. So for each purchase, you'll be able to make $13, as you can see right here. And remember that it doesn't cost anything to sign up to DIGISTORE24, and it also doesn't cost anything to create a TikTok account, and I'll be showing you where to get the content from. So to get the content, all you'll have to do is go over to pixels.com, or you could use pixabay.com. They are both websites that person goes on to get free copyright free content. And by copyright free, I mean that you don't have to worry about it getting any claim from an owner, so you can use it on any social media platform you want, and you can also use it on any website you want. I'm currently on pixels.com and I typed in universe, and you can see the different photos that you could simply download and then paste a quotation over. Or you can select videos and you will see the different videos that you'll be able to download for completely free, just like this TikTok page is doing. And once you have downloaded the video, all you'll need to do is simply go into Google and you're going to type in manifestation codes, and you can simply copy the different manifestation codes. For example, I did that earlier by using this website right here. I found some nice manifestation codes. So now that you have the content, all you'll need to do is sign up to canva.com, and with Canva you'll be able to create high quality TikTok videos for completely free again. So everything that I'm showing you, as you can realize, is completely free. All it will need is just a bit of your time, and all you'll need to do is invest time at first, and then afterwards it's completely passive. You can slow down on the amount that you're posting, and you'll still be able to make money daily and make money while you sleep. So once on canva.com, you're going to select social media, then you're going to select TikTok video, and it is going to lead you to this page. And from here you would simply paste the video or pictures that you got from Pixels, and you're also going to add the quotation on it. After you have added the quotation, what I would like you to do now to create a bit.ly link just like this, you will simply go onto bit.ly.com, and again it's completely free to sign up. As you can see right here, you will simply tap on sign up for free, and you would enter your email address and create an account, and you are going to select this one right here by the name of link in bio. So you are going to create a page just like this for completely free, and you are going to paste your DIGISTORE24 offer, and you can paste different offers as you can see right here. So you'll have a higher probability of someone clicking on one of your offers and you making money. And that's it. All you'll have to do after that is just consistently post, and you'll be able to make money on TikTok using DIGISTORE24. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.